Think you're doing high knees the right way? You might be shocked to know that most people, even regular gym goers, are actually doing them wrong. And that tiny mistake could be the reason your knees hurt. Your balance feels off or your cardio results just aren't showing. High knees look simple. It's just running in place, right? But here's the truth. High knees aren't just a cardio move. When done correctly, they're one of the most powerful full-body conditioning exercises you can do. They fire up your core, strengthen your hips, improve balance, and boost your coordination. The problem? Most people never tap into that power because they're too focused on speed instead of control. So today, I'm going to show you the right way to perform high knees, step by step, one from beginner to advanced. By the end of this video, you'll not only move better, but you'll feel stronger, faster, and more in control of every rep. Let's get into it. Let's start with what's going wrong. Because before you can fix your form, you've got to know what's breaking it. Mistake number 1, the lazy jogger. You've seen this before. Knees barely come up, arms barely move. It looks like cardio, but it's really just a half-hearted jog in place. When your knees don't reach at least hip height, you're not activating your core or hip flexors. You're missing the main purpose of the move. Mistake number 2, the wild sprinter. You know that one person who's flailing their arms everywhere, stomping the ground and gasping for air. That's momentum taking over instead of control. The moment you lose control, you lose alignment. And that's when injuries happen. And mistake number 3, landing on your heels. Every time your heel hits the ground, you send a shockwave up your leg into your knees and hips. Over time, that's how joint pain sneaks up on you. High knees should feel light and springy, not heavy and painful. Here's the deal. The difference between bad form and great form is awareness. Once you feel what's wrong, your brain can start correcting it. All right, let's rebuild your form from the ground up. Think of your body like a tower. If the base isn't solid, everything above it starts to wobble. Start by standing tall, feet hip-width apart, shoulders relaxed but pulled slightly back. Now imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. That's your perfect posture. Next, we activate your core. Place one hand on your stomach and pull your belly button slightly toward your spine. Not sucking in, just firm, like you're bracing for a soft punch. That small engagement will protect your lower back and stabilize every movement you make. Now let's talk arms, because arms control your rhythm. Bend your elbows at about 90 degrees. Keep them close to your sides. And drive your arms opposite to your knees. Left arm moves with right knee. Right arm moves with left knee. The moment your arms lose coordination, your legs will follow. So stay tight, stay rhythmic. This setup is the foundation of perfect high knees. Posture, core, and arm rhythm. Without these, speed doesn't matter. Now that we've got your base locked in, let's move into the movement itself. Start by driving one knee up until it's in line with your hip. Your thigh should be parallel to the floor. At the same time, your opposite arm should be driving forward, not swinging wildly but with purpose. As that knee comes down, the other knee immediately takes its place. The landing is light, always on the balls of your feet. You want to feel quick but not rushed. Controlled, not chaotic. Your chest stays tall the whole time. Don't hunch forward. Keep your eyes forward, not looking down. This keeps your airways open and your balance centered. And remember, speed is not the goal. Form is. When your form is right, speed and endurance will come naturally. So repeat this pattern. Drive, switch, drive. Switch, keeping your knees at hip level. Landing softly and maintaining a strong core. Feel that bounce under your feet? That's your calves and glutes absorbing impact the right way. Here's the cool part. When you perform high knees properly, your body becomes a synchronized system. Your core stabilizes, your legs drive force, your arms dictate rhythm, and your breathing keeps you efficient. Each knee drive activates your hip flexors and the muscles responsible for lifting your legs. At the same time, your core keeps your torso upright and stable. When done right, this move doesn't just burn calories. It improves your running mechanics, your posture, and even your coordination. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. If it's solid, the entire structure stands tall under pressure. But if that foundation is weak, everything above it collapses. That's why you should never perform high knees loosely or lazily. Every rep counts. All right. Now that you've got the basics, let's fine-tune. Tip number 1, focus on your landing. You want it to feel quiet, almost silent. If you can hear your feet slamming the floor, you're doing it wrong. Light landings mean your muscles are absorbing the impact instead of your joints. Tip number 2, engage your core every few reps. If you feel your lower back arching or your balance slipping, pause for a second, reset your posture, and re-engage your abs. A strong core keeps your movement efficient and protects your spine. Tip number 3, control your breathing. Inhale through your nose for 2 steps, exhale through your mouth for 2 steps. That rhythm helps keep oxygen flowing evenly, especially when the tempo rises. And tip number 4, use your arms for power is not decoration. They should drive each step, helping you lift higher and move faster without wasting energy. Now let's take it up a notch. If you've mastered clean, controlled high knees, here are a few drills that will help you push your limits safely. Drill 1, the slow motion hold. Bring one knee up, pause at hip height for 1 second, then switch. Do this for 10 reps. You'll feel your core and hip flexors light up instantly. That's stability training in action. Drill 2, power drive burst. For 15 seconds, go full intensity. Fast knees, tight core, light feet. Then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat 4 times. This trains your explosive speed and builds stamina like crazy. Drill 3, the mirror check. Do your high knees in front of a mirror or record yourself. Look for 3 things: chest tall, knees at hip height, and feet landing softly. That visual feedback is gold for improving your form. These tweaks turn high knees from a basic warm-up into a powerful conditioning tool, the kind athletes use to build explosive performance. Here's something to remember. High knees aren't about perfection. They're about progression. You'll notice that as your form improves, your coordination, balance, and breathing will all start syncing together. And that's when high knees start feeling good instead of painful. Don't chase exhaustion, chase quality. A perfect 30 seconds of high knees is worth more than 2 sloppy minutes. Your body learns movement patterns, so teach it the right ones. You're not just burning calories. You're teaching your body to move efficiently. You're building a stronger foundation for every run, jump, and lift you'll ever do. Let's recap everything quickly. Stand tall, chest up. Engage your core. Drive your knees to hip height. Land softly on the balls of your feet. Keep your arms tight and rhythmic. Breathe with control. That's the formula for perfect high knees. Now here's your challenge. Right after this video, do 10 flawless reps. Slow, controlled, powerful. Then try 20 seconds at full speed. Notice how much lighter and stronger it feels. That's your body finally working in alignment. If this helped you fix your form, drop a comment saying, "Form unlocked." And if you want more breakdowns like this, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and helps more people move the right way. Remember, don't just work out, train smart. You've got this. I'll see you in the next one.